Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to learn about a product that is made with natural ingredients and is scientifically proven to combat the signs of aging, well then stay tuned. And like always, like and subscribe. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so for this video I'll be talking to you about Arrancar. It is a skincare brand that uses natural ingredients to prevent the signs of aging. So the products that I will be discussing is their ReVenge Moisture Facial Scrub, which this is amazing, and the ReStore Hawaiian Red Algae Moisturizer leaves your skin feeling baby smooth. And these two together honestly has left my skin feeling so soft, so smooth, so revitalized, and I've only used it for 3 days now, so I could only imagine what would happen if I continuously use it for a week, 2 weeks. And it is perfect for anyone who has wrinkles, fine lines, because it's made with hyaluronic acid, CoQ10, and has peptides proven to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, which is perfect for us aging. If you're in your mid-20s, you should really start. If you're in your 30s, you should already have a brand that has anti-aging properties, and if you're in your 40s, then you gotta kick on and join in. So let's discuss the ReVenge Moisturizing Face Scrub. It is made with hyaluronic acid. ReVenge Moisturizing Face Scrub, when it comes to anti-aging harsh physical exfoliants, is a no-no. Our Arrancar brand believes gentler is always better. Unlike other brands that use exfoliants such as grains, beads, or even crushed walnuts, ReVenge Face Scrub was developed to wash away dead skin cells while still being gentle and moisturizing. It is so creamy, soothing, and effective. It will surely become your new favorite. Honestly, I have used this, like I said, for the past few days, and it has left my skin feeling super soft, and I usually have a lot of discoloration. It has eliminated that without my skin breaking out or hurting or anything like that. And I'll show you there's like some, I don't want to waste it all, but there's some crystals, and I don't know if you can see that. And they're finely grained crystals. They don't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. And I'm doing it pretty rough, which you're not supposed to on your face. But honestly, this leaves your skin feeling super soft, like a baby's bottom. And I keep saying that whenever I like talk about this to like my family, my friends. And honestly, it's really, really great. It's a face scrub. Is different from your daily face wash, as you would only need to use this scrub twice a week, 3 times a week for acne prone skin. So if you have acne prone skin, this is actually really good for you because it helps clean out all those impurities. And their ingredients, these are their ingredients if you want to check those out. They're all natural ingredients, which is great. That's the good thing. And of course, it's scientifically backed to prevent wrinkles, aging, and acne. The next product is ReStore Moisturizer, which smells amazing, and the Hawaiian Red Algae is, I've never tried anything like that before, but it smells really, really, really good. The ReStore Hawaiian Red Algae Moisturizer. This moisturizer is extremely hydrating and filled with fine line wrinkle fighting ingredients such as Hawaiian Red Algae, sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid, CoQ10, as well as vitamin A, E, C, and more. Can be used morning and before bed on cleansed skin, massage or pat into neck and face using upward motion. So this product really, really does leave your skin feeling soft combined with the scrub. It is a great combination, I just have to say. And it helps fight wrinkles and fine lines, and I like that you can use it on your neck as well because we also gotta worry about that area. And I highly recommend this moisturizer because it smells so good, and you don't even have to put that much. Like in the video I kind of put a little bit too much. I tend to do that in my videos, I don't know why, but you don't have to put that much, and it leaves your skin feeling so moisturized, like amazing. And I don't have any irritation, any breakouts, there's nothing in it that, like, usually when stuff have natural ingredients, sometimes some people may break out, some may not. So it's up to you. You have to check the ingredients, but these are the ingredients. I will like slowly so you can attempt to read it. Sorry. It's hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, gentle natural retinol, CoQ10, collagen, and Hawaiian Red Algae. Now you can have them all and more in ReStore Hawaiian Red Algae Moisturizer. It works, darling. So that is my review for these amazing products that I got from Arrancar. Honestly, I would check them out. If you want, you can use my code Chrissy20 and get 20% off, so you guys can check this out. They also have other amazing products in their collection. They have serums and face washes and a bunch of other stuff, so you guys can check them out. Link below in the description, of course. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this. Would you use this? Honestly, I honestly enjoyed it, and I'm gonna 100% use this in my skincare routine. If you already know, don't know, I love skincare, so every time I find a new brand or a new product that I can incorporate into my skincare routine, I become obsessed. I'm telling you, it honestly feels amazing on my skin. And if you want to prevent signs of aging, definitely I would always go with products that have peptides, hyaluronic acid, CoQ10 that are needed to prevent wrinkles, like organic, all natural. I discovered if it says that and it does it really have anti-aging properties in it? No, it's not gonna have the things you need to prevent your face from showing signs of aging, dark spots, lines, wrinkles. Again, link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now. Oh, and stay safe out there.